A B C D F G H J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Here is my breakfast foods. A is for apple slices. A is for avocado toast. A is for apple muffin. B is for bagel with cream. B is for bacon strips. B is for banana pancakes. Here is for bagel with cream. B is for bacon strips. B is for banana pancakes. Here is my breakfast foods. C is for cereal in a bowl. C is for cinnamon roll. C is for croissant. Here is my breakfast foods. D is for donut. D is for Danish pastry. D is for dried fruit. Here is my breakfast foods. E is for egg on toast. E is for English muffin. E is for egg sandwich. Here is my breakfast foods. F is for French toast. F is for fruit salad. F is for flapjacks. G is for grapes. G is for granola. G is for grapefruit. H is for hash browns. H is for honey on biscuits. H is for ham slices. I is for instant oatmeal. I is for iced coffee. I is for Italian toast. J is for jam and bread. J is for juice box. J is for jelly waffle. K is for kettle cooked eggs. K is for kiwi slices. K is for kasha. L is for lemon muffin. L is for Latin bagel. L is for leftover pizza. M is for muffin. M is for milk and cereal. M is for maple syrup. N is for Nutella toast. N is for navel orange. N is for nuts and honey. O is for oatmeal. O is for omelette. O is for orange juice. P is for pancakes. P is for peanut butter toast. P is for pineapple chunks. Q is for quiche. Q is for quick toast. Q is for quinoa bowl. R is for raisin bread. R is for rice porridge. R is for raspberry jam. S is for sausage. S is for smoothie. S is for scrambled eggs. T is for toast. T is for tea. T is for tangerine. U is for upside down pancake. U is for udon with egg. U is for ultra smoothie. V is for vanilla yogurt. V is for veggie omelet. V is for Vienna sausage. W is for waffles. W is for watermelon. W whipped cream. X is for extra berries. X is for salad bouillon. X is for express muffin.
Thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate your time, energy, and effort.